Distance in the coordinate plane. I can plot points in the coordinate plane to create a polygon. First, what's a polygon? A polygon is a two-dimensional shape that is closed with three or more straight sides. Some examples would be a triangle, a rectangle, and a trapezoid. Ordered pairs. Remember, ordered pairs are written with x, y to signify their location. The x tells us the left or right movement, and the y tells us the up or down movement. What is the coordinate plane? The coordinate plane is a two-dimensional number line with a horizontal line, which is the x-axis, and a vertical line, which is the y-axis. The x is the line going across. The y is the line going up and down. It is split into four quadrants. Quadrant 1 has both positive x and a positive y. Quadrant 2 has a negative x and a positive y. Quadrant 3 is a negative x, negative y. And quadrant 4 is a positive x and a negative y. Plot the points and then connect the points. Point A is over to the left, -3, and down and up to 3. Point B is to the right 4 and up 3. Point C is to the right 4 and down 2. And point D is to the left 3 and down 2. Then connect the points in order from A to B, B to C, and C to D. The resulting figure is a rectangle. Now to find the length of each side. If we look for line AB, we can count the spaces between A to B. There's 7 spaces between A and B. Then look at B to C. From B to C, if we count the squares, there are 5 squares from B to C. C to D is a repeat of A and B. They are congruent sides, so it is also 7. And D to A is a repeat of B to C for a length of 5.